We are in Desmos.com and in the math tools, I selected matrix calculator, new discovery. So exciting. I'm going to put in 4 different matrices and notice they use the first few letters of the alphabet. So I'm just going to select A, make a new matrix. And my matrix is a 3 by 2. So there are 3 rows, 2 columns. Now we can just type in the numbers in order across each row and use the right arrow to just continue going. We don't have to use the down arrow. I press enter. I'm going to do a new matrix again, and it's going to be B. This time there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So put those values in, 24, negative 8, 3, negative 4, 6, and negative 17. Enter. Let's put in a C, new matrix. This is a 2 by 3, so 3 columns. Again, it has the same dimensions as B, which means we can add them. They have to have the same dimensions in order to add them together. New matrix D, this is a 3 by 2, so 3 rows, 2 columns. So this has the same dimensions as matrix A, so we're going to be able to add those. Put in each element that was in position. Let's see, this one's in 2, 1. It's the second row, first column. This is 3, 1 for the element position. And there we have all 4 of the matrices. So now let's do some calculations. We can add these together. I am going to add matrix B and C because they are both 2 by 3s. They have to have the same dimension. So I'm going to do B plus C. Boom. There's our answer. How cool is that? Let's add the 3 by 2. So I'm going to add A, select my A. Well, let's just subtract it. So A minus D. There we go. And we have our answer. We can also do something called scalar multiplication. So I'm going to put in a 3, and I can do this to any matrix. It doesn't matter the dimensions of the matrix. Let's just do it with A, our first one. And we have our answers. For scalar multiplication, it just takes a scalar, in this case 3, and multiplies every single element in matrix A by 3. And we get our new matrix. Let's do something a little trickier. So let's do 2 and then C. Why not? Minus B. There we go. So we can do more than one thing at a time. So we multiplied everything in matrix C by 2, every single element, and then we subtracted matrix B from that matrix. How nifty is that?